Namaskar, dear students. In this video, I am going to tell you 50 most important question answers of GK. So let us start. Question 1. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer Indira Gandhi. Question 2. Who was the first woman Chief Minister in India? Answer Sucheta Kriplani. Question 3. Which is the largest state in India? Answer Rajasthan. Question 4. Which is the smallest state in India? Answer Goa. Question 5. Who is the first citizen of India? Answer President. Question 6. When the Indian peoples celebrate Independence Day? Answer 15th August. Question 7. When we celebrate our Indian Republic Day? Answer 26th January. Question 8. What is the total number of characters in Hindi alphabet? Answer 52. Question 9. Who is the composer of the Indian national song? Answer Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question 10. How many spokes in the national flag of India? Answer 24 spokes. Question 11. What is the national song of India? Answer Vande Mataram. Question 12. What is the national flower of India? Answer Lotus. Question 13. Who is the first female Chief Justice of India? Answer Fatima Bibi. Question 14. How many months in every single year? Answer 12 months. Question 15. How many days in every single week? Answer 7 days. Question 16. Which language is used most in Maharashtra? Answer Marathi. Question 17. What is the name of the Hindi script? Answer Devanagari. Question 18. What is the name of the longest river on the earth? Answer the Nile. Question 19. What is the name of the fastest animal on the land? Answer cheetah. Question 20. What is the main source of energy for the earth? Answer sun. Question 21. What is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer Arctic Ocean. Question 22. Who is the highest mountain in India? Answer Kanchenjunga. Question 23. Which is the largest lake in India? Answer Buller Lake. Question 24. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Answer Shah Jahan. Question 25. When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day? Answer 4 December. Question 26. Who composed the Indian National Anthem? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Question 27. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Answer Kiran Bedi. Question 28. Where is the Buller Lake situated in India? Answer Jammu and Kashmir. Question 29. Which type of lens is used in the camera? Answer convex lenses. Question 13. Question 30. Bihu is one of the most popular dance of which Indian state? Answer Assam. Question 31. Yahoo, Google and MSN is? Answer internet sites. Question 32. Inaccuracy in computer data is called bug. Question 33. What is the longest river in India? Answer Ganga River. Question 34. What is the full form of HTML? Answer Hypertext Markup Language. Question 35. What is the magnitude of the earthquake measuring machine? Answer Richter scale and seismograph. Question 36. A near sight defect is used in the person's eyeglasses? Answer concave lens. Question 37. Non-metals are the helper of electricity because answer they are not free electrons. Question 38. What energy is found in a dry cell? Answer chemical. Question 39. Who is the inventor of gravitational rules? Answer Newton. Question 40. Who discovered the television? Answer John Logie Baird. Question 41. What energy is there in the key clock? Answer potential energy. Question 42. How much of the Earth's gravitational is closer to the gravity of the moon? Answer 1 upon 6. Question 43. Raindrop is spherical. Answer due to surface tension. Question 44. Who has compiled the rule of motion of the planets? Answer Kepler. Question 45. Earth and other planets revolve around the sun. Who first proved it? Answer Copernicus. Question 46. What is the frequency of sound waves in the audio compound? Answer 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Question 47. The filament of the light bulb is made up of which element? Answer tungsten. Question 48. Rainbow is caused by? Answer reflection and refraction. Question 49. The color of the sky appears to be blue due to? Answer due to scattering. Question 50. India is situated in which continent? Answer Asia.